pull your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Here where we need ya. Here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease in my life, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
What's going on? Welcome back. All right, so this is super loud. Let me turn that down a little bit. Yeah, it is loud. Welcome back. Give it a stretch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So I kind of like went down a rabbit hole, and so I'm working on this project that I'm trying to get completed within like next couple of days because I want to use it for this event, and so I want to get a majority of it done like today. Maybe tweak some things tomorrow, and then have it for like the rest of the week, right? But so I'm going through, and I'm making some progress, and I come across this blog post. I'm like, so it may, not now, but in the future, I have some things to think about now. So what I'm talking about, I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to post a link to this blog post. So it'll be next to the recording of this break session. And what I want to talk about comes from Astro. And folks may not, if you ever watched any sort of one of these, you know I'm a big fan of Astro. And the project I'm working on is built upon Astro. And a few of my other projects. I really like Astro. And I want to be able to support Astro by giving them money. You know what I mean? Like, I build a lot of stuff with Cloudflare. I give them money. You know what I'm saying? And so I want to kind of like, I do that to make sure it continues on. And so when Astro came out with studio.astro.build, I was like, oh, dope. There's like a product and I can actually like, support and give them money. Well, I think they're getting to the point of giving, like, there was no pricing, if I remember correctly, right? And so I signed up. I'm like, word. And so I'm hoping like there'll be pricing or something, because I've done like one project using studio.astro.build. So it basically, studio.astro.build is like the front end for their Astro database, AstroDB. And so I'm like, all right, cool. So something I can kind of log in with, set some stuff up. Cool. Got this database, hook it up to my framework, to my project. Good to go. Awesome. So I'm like, all right, cool. Then they like closed registrations, like new registrations. I'm like, okay, they're probably like fine tweaking some things. You know what I'm saying? They got like the level that they want, and now they can fine tune things and work out a pricing. All right, cool. Then apparently, as you can see here, September 13th, 2024. And well, goodbye studio, hello DB. I'm like, oh, what does that mean? And I don't know, to me now looking at this, I don't know to anybody else, this may seem like curtains to me, like, like in theater houses or whatever, play houses, like it kind of feels like the big curtains that are like closing. I mean, kind of. But let's read the article. Shouts to Fred Schott. And again, I posted a link to this so you can read it for yourself and check it out. But I'm kind of like heartbroken. So, but they say good things are going to be happening. So let's just read the article. And yeah. So we decided to wind down Astro Studio and open up AstroDB to connect to any libsql database, including Terso. And so we'll take a look at Terso. Read on to learn more about how we came to the decision, what comes next, and why we think it is the right decision for Astro and AstroDB. All right, cool. All right, so maybe we'll see what's up. All right, so earlier this year, we launched a hosted database platform called Astro Studio. And it was awesome. I liked it. Our goal was to give every Astro developer easy access to affordable, fast SQL or SQL, however you want to pronounce it, data storage directly from within the Astro framework itself. And that's why I thought that was pretty dope, that you could use whatever database you want, but there's one that kind of comes with the framework. That's what I thought was pretty dope. And so you don't have to like leave the Astro universe. That's funny. To go ahead and add in a database that you may not be familiar with. You know what I'm saying? And so, like, if you're already familiar with the database, like I have Astro projects that use like Firebase, Firestore, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And what else did I use? I used some other ones. I don't remember. So I'm familiar with different ones, right? And Astro allowed me to be able to integrate with them. Dope. I think they even, let me check something in their integrations thing. Hold on, astro.build integrations, I think it was. Let me see something here. Let me see. Maybe not here, but I thought I saw some like plugins or whatever where they had like the different integrations. But I'm looking at this page here, so they have some integrations and stuff here. So like this is the UI framework stuff, adapters, which I think they have a bunch more. I think also, and other integrations. So here's the DB joint, Markdown, MDX, PartyTown, Site Map. But I thought they had more database stuff. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm mistaken. I could have sworn I saw they had other ones. Neither here nor there. All right, but back to this. All right, so they launched the studio, Astro Studio, which I thought was dope. So on this point, we succeeded. So you're able to get this database directly from just like within the framework without having to worry about any other extraneous things. So that was pretty dope. So so Astro Studio delivered instant database access for both local development and production traffic with impressive scale and cost savings. And I mean, I didn't purchase anything. Like I couldn't do anything. You know what I'm saying? Like I couldn't add any money. Like I didn't see where that was. Maybe it came later and I wasn't like using it or something, but I'm not sure. I haven't seen it. But all right. So our second goal was to build this into a profitable business to support the continued development and growth of Astro. On this point, we failed. Damn it. See, again, I wish I would have saw something where I could like have given money for a studio. I don't know. So yeah, so that's probably my bad. Hold on. Let me look into the studio thing. Hold on. Let me log in real quick. I don't remember seeing anything with pricing on there. Yeah, no. Because like, okay, so I'm gonna show my dashboard. It's probably fine because they're shutting it down anyway. But so here's my thing, right? And here's the project that I have, mylight.work, like the side project thing, website that I have, right? Like I don't see anything about like this lets me add a new project. Like, I don't see anything about switching the workspace. I only have the one workspace. Here's the projects, settings. Yeah, see, I don't see anything. Billing. Hold on. Let me share this other one. I'm about to click this billing, and I want to see what shows. But I don't even think I added any sort of billing information. Hold on, let me share this tab instead, just in case. Billing. Yeah, see. Oh, wait, there is a pricing. Okay, hold on. Wait. Let me go back to this. Share this tab. Okay, so yeah, so I never added a billing payment. But then, so there's, I don't remember this being here. But okay, let me open this in a new tab, see what that's about. Yeah, see, it just, yeah, 0. Huh. Yeah, see, it says 0 month. Okay. Yeah, see, so I wasn't wilding out. Like there's 0. Okay, I really wish that would have. Okay, all right. Neither here nor there. Let's get back to where we are now. Cool. So Astro Studio never reached a point where we felt we had found product market fit. So maybe they weren't. So not necessarily, I guess they weren't making money, but maybe they didn't get the like adoption that they were thinking. I guess I don't know. But then the thing is, they closed registration to like new accounts, so you can't really. Again, I don't know. I'm not behind the scenes, but so thousands of Astro developers tried the platform, but few stuck around. Oh, okay. Larger development platforms like Terso and Supabase offered similar features, and we had exciting roadmaps. Oh, and had exciting roadmaps of their own, complicating our efforts to stand out in a crowded space. Oh, okay. So I guess because of these folks, they're like, oh, okay, it's not growing, I guess, as much as they want. So they said, yeah, we moved too slowly. I could go on, but ultimately we couldn't find a clear path to pursue with conviction that we were building something that would last. That sucks. So as a result, we are making the call to wind down and eventually shut down Astro Studio. So Astro Studio itself was built on top of Terso, which we'll take a look at. And we feel confident recommending the Terso platform to our users as a great alternative to Astro Studio that will hopefully result in minimal disruption to migrate. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to migrate. I mean, it's not a lot on untilit.works. I just kind of started it, but still, damn. So you can self-host your libsql database or move off to another database entirely. More on this in the next section. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So okay, so some more details for those interested. So invites to Astro Studio remain closed. Like I said, they had no more new registrations. Existing users, me, will no longer be able to create new databases after October 1st, 2024. So I'm gonna have to create for this side project, like, well, I have to do it now anyway, because I want to get it launched this week. So yeah, so I'm fine there, but I won't be able to do anything like anymore, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Existing databases will no longer be accessible after March 1st, 2025. So I have to go and make sure, come up with some sort of plan by then. And it says any remaining database will be deleted on or soon after March 1st, 2025. So I definitely need to get that plan in action by then. Then, so yeah, if you're a current Astro user, check your email box or our Discord server in the coming days for more information and instructions. All right. So yeah, they thank, the people who've done it. So yeah, so they're going to be preserving some of our favorite parts of Studio to chart a new course and build something that we do think will last. Next week is launch week. All right. So check back with us next Friday for a sneak preview of what we've been up to. All right. Hopefully like a product that I can hopefully put some money into or something. So yeah, so now they're doubling down on open source with AstroDB. Okay, so there's some good news hidden in this announcement. AstroDB isn't going anywhere; it's actually improving. All right. So AstroDB is the framework and software component of our database story. It includes a local database, dev database, schema management, automatic migrations. So I wonder if they're going to be able to migrate to something else. I don't know, hopefully. And a database ORM/SDK with full automatic TypeScript types. Sure, I just need you to hold my information. You know what I'm saying? It's incredibly cool, but up until recently, it only worked with the Astro Studio platform, which I thought was dope. So now with Studio winding down, we can now invest our time and energy into making AstroDB even more open and powerful for everyone. I mean, that's a good idea. You know what I'm saying? I like, that's cool. But now, as of Astro 4.15, I wonder what version mine is on. I'm not sure, that I just started. You can now connect AstroDB to any libsql SQLite database. I haven't really done much of this before. So I've done like NoSQL, and so I don't know. So I don't do much backend stuff. I was like, oh, this is cool. I can dip my toe using this Astro thing because I'm using Astro anyway. So this has required some clever refactoring, like moving some important administrative metadata for a database into the database itself, so that everything you need could be self-contained. Thank you to Astro community member and maintainer, shout out to this person, Frayuni, for his work to make this possible. So I'm personally excited for a world where AstroDB can talk to any database you point it to. One day, AstroDB could talk to your MySQL or Postgres database, entirely built in, or the Astro framework. So yeah, no, that'd be cool if it was built into the framework. That'd be cool. So this change takes us one step closer to that future. So yeah. So again, shouts to Fred Schott and the whole team at Astro. But yeah, kind of sucks. But so I mean, what? Hopefully, like I said, this will take them closer to where they want to be. Because I wouldn't want anybody to be working on something that they feel isn't like serving their goals. You know what I mean? So this is what they chose to do. Cool. You know what I'm saying? You can do nothing but accept it. Oh, I forgot. I want to look at this Terso thing real quick. Hold on. So I don't know. So I guess this is where folks will be going to. Let me start screen share. Let me just do this real quick. This one, share. All right. So yeah. So SQLite, SQLite, I don't know, for production. And so yeah. So okay. So wait. What? Trip to Japan. That's interesting. Okay. So best in class developer experience. Okay. Oh, see, this stuff I don't want. I remember this from like my SQL days. Stuff I don't want to do. Like this stuff I don't want to do that. That's not what I want to do. All right. What's our camera thing here? Oh, it's a Calendly thing. Cool. Integrate easily. Examples. So they got examples. That's cool. Let's see what's examples. They totally open it in a new window, and it goes to GitHub. All right. Scalable. So you have a free starter plan. I don't know what that means. Okay. Cool. Open source, great. And so, all right. AI stuff. All right, cool. So then I guess let me take a look at this real quick. All right. API mug store API. Okay. What? Expenses tracker Hono. Shouts to Hono. Oh, there's a Python thing. That's cool. App the mug store. So I guess this is the API for the app, the mug store. That seems like a lot. There's a to-do with something called, I guess it's something called Axum. Okay, app top web frameworks. What? Let's see what that is. A website listing top web frameworks made with Nux and Terso. Okay. Can I not just like click it to see it running? No? Okay. So then, see, and I got to install a Terso CLI thing. Huh. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, well, they have this deploy thing, but it's to Vercel. I don't use Vercel, so I don't have an account, so that's not gonna really help me. I don't know. So yeah, so I've got some things to think about, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all back to work. Let me know what are you using. Like if you're using Astro, let me know what you're using as a database. You know what I'm saying? So because funny enough, I have some random projects using Astro, but I just make calls to like GitHub. So I have like a simple like file that's in a GitHub repository, and it just updates that, and then we're good to go. So maybe I need to go back to that. I don't know, because my stuff is not that complicated. So we'll see. All right. So yeah, sorry. Just wanted to share my pain a little bit. I'm gonna send you all off with some traveling music, and this right here is a track by Nujabez featuring Apani B. The track is called "Thank You," because again, thanks for hanging out. See you 50 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity, and y'all be easy. Thanks again, y'all, and peace.
But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank God for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank God for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank God for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me.